Welcome to Brainfeed magazine. Does your friend plan an impromptu hike where you find yourself without any prior preparations? Worry not, this article will provide you a guide on all things hiking so that you can be best prepared for your next hike. Let's get started. Initial preparation. You can start 1 month before the hike day to build your body's stamina. Take time for regular exercises like walking, running, or cycling, which will help build the strength needed for hiking. Engage in exercises that will strengthen your core, such as crunches, push-ups, cardio, etc. Before the day of hike, try carrying your hike bag to do step-ups, which will give you a rough idea. Research. Research your hike place and check the weather conditions for the day. Be prepared for sudden changes in weather conditions. If you're hiking in the mountains, be especially cautious of storms and temperature drops. Also, take note of timings, travel routes, and the availability of water in the area of the hike. Navigation help. Being able to navigate is one of the most important skills in hiking. Learning to read a map and use a compass is essential, especially if you're hiking in remote areas. Gear. Try packing lightly so that carrying the bag will not tire you. Always carry enough water, snacks, and extra clothing for weather changes. A basic first aid kit, sunscreen, and a hat are also essential. Depending on the length and location, consider packing a flashlight, matches, or a multi-tool. Basic first aid. Accidents can happen, so knowing basic first aid is crucial. Learn how to treat minor injuries like cuts, blisters, or sprains. It's also important to recognize signs of more serious conditions, such as dehydration or heat exhaustion, and know when to seek help. Proper clothes. Choose sturdy, comfortable hiking boots that provide good support and grip. Opt for comfortable clothing, which will keep you covered and are breathable. Leave no trace. As a hiker, it's important to respect nature by following the leave no trace principles. This means packing out all trash, staying on designated trails, and avoiding disturbing wildlife. Guide. It's always a good idea to hike with someone who has more experience. An experienced hiker will have better knowledge of the routes, understand the terrain, and know how to navigate unexpected situations. By developing these skills, you'll be better prepared to enjoy the beauty of the outdoors while hiking. Remember, hiking is about enjoying the journey and the wonders of nature along the way. That brings us to the end of this article. Here you learned: build stamina and core strength a month before the hike with exercises like walking, running, and crunches. Practice carrying your hiking bag to get used to the weight. Research the hike location, check weather conditions, and learn map reading and compass navigation, especially in remote areas. Pack light but include essentials like water, snacks, first aid, and weather-appropriate clothing. Learn basic first aid and follow leave no trace principles to protect nature. We hope you liked this article.